Standard 11th Business Mathematics, exercise 1.4. First question, the technology matrix of an economic system of two industries is, your 2 by 2 matrices is given 0.50, 0.30, 0.41, 0.33. Test whether the system is viable as per Hawkin-Simon condition. So first we will declare this, whatever matrix is given, just we will write it as B is equal to your given matrices. Okay, so 0.50, 0.30, 0.41 and 0.33. The next step in your Hawkin-Simon condition is you have to find I minus B. I is nothing but your unit matrix, then this B is there as it is. So I is 1, 0, 0, 1, then minus your matrix is B matrix. Okay, so it is 0.50, 0.30, 0.41, 0.33. So now we will have to subtract it. So first term and first, second, third, fourth, like that. Okay. 1 minus 0.50. So we'll get 0.50. And 0 minus 0.30. So minus 0.30 we'll get. Then here this element 0 minus 0.41. So minus 0.41 minus 0.41. Again 1 minus 0.33. You will get it as 0.67. You can use your calci also. Okay. So now once you finish up your I minus B, you will have to check your main diagonal elements. Okay, that is called, this 2 is called as main diagonal elements. So this element and this element, this is only your main diagonal. So you'll have to find this main diagonal elements are positive or negative. So that is your first condition in your Hawkin-Simon method condition. Okay, so first you should check whether these two elements are positive. So we can see these two elements are positive. So the first condition is satisfied. The second condition is determinant of I minus B, you will have to find it. So determinant of I minus B is, for this you will have to find your determinant. So multiply these two terms, elements, and subtraction, again multiply these two elements. Okay, that will be your determinant of I minus B. So you get 0.50 into 0.67 minus, again these two terms, it is 0.41 into minus 0.30. So now go for your multiplication, you will get your answer as 0.335 minus, here you have got one minus. Okay, this minus and again one more minus. So minus and minus will become plus, but this minus is there. So plus into minus is again minus only. So the answer will be 0.123. Now subtract from here 0.335 minus 0.123. You will get your answer as 0.212. And check whether this is positive or negative. The answer should be positive, otherwise it should be negative. So if it is positive, then we can write it as, since your determinant of I minus B, that is what we have found out, is positive. You have got positive only, so you can write it as positive. Therefore, Hawkin-Simon condition is satisfied. So what is your condition is? First you will have to find I minus B and check your main diagonal elements. It should be positive. So that is your first condition. Your second one is determinant of I minus B should be positive. So both the conditions are satisfied here. For the given system is viable. So they have asked you to prove it whether it is viable. So we can declare that it is viable. So this is the answer for your first question. Second question, the technology matrix of an economic system of two industries is, your 2 by 2 matrices is given 0.60, 0.9, 0.20, 0.80. Test whether the system is viable as per Hawkin-Simon condition. So first what you will have to do, just declare your given matrices as B. So B is equal to your matrices 0.6, 0.9, 0.20, 0.80. Now the next condition is I minus B, you'll have to find it. So I is nothing but your 1001 minus the given matrix, okay. So it is 0.6, 0.9, 0.20, 0.80. Now normal subtraction of your matrix, first element with this first element. So 1 minus 0.6, you will get it as 0.4. Next 0 minus 0.9. So since you have got 0 here, so this minus will go with that 0.9. So answer is minus 0.9. Same here, 0 we have got. So this minus will go with this element. So minus 0.20. So minus 0.20. The next one is 1 minus 0.80. You will have to subtract it. So you will get it as 0.20. So now check whether the main diagonals are positive. So this is called your main diagonal. So here also you have got positive element and here also you have got positive element. So your first condition for your Hawkin-Simon condition is satisfied. Okay. The next one is determinant of I minus B. You will have to find it. So that is determinant of I minus B is nothing but your I minus B. We have got it here. For that you will have to find your determinant. 0.4 into 0.20 minus these two elements. Okay, so open your bracket, minus 0.20 into minus 0.9. Now multiply these two elements and again these two elements and subtract it. Okay, so 0.4 into 0.20 you will get 0.08. Minus will be there because this minus and minus will become plus. Then 0.20 into 0.9 you will get it as 0.18. So solving these two elements you will get your answer as minus 0.1. But the condition is determinant of I minus B should be positive. But we have got here it is negative. So if you want you can write it as it is negative. Therefore, since determinant of I minus B is negative, Hawkin-Simon condition is not satisfied. Therefore, the given system, so if you have got positive you can write it as viable. Since we have got negative you will have to write it as the system is not viable. So this is the answer for your second question. Third question, the technology matrix of an economic system of two industries is, again your 2 by 3 matrix is given, 0.50, 0.25, 0.40, 0.67. Test whether the system is viable as per Hawkin-Simon condition. You have to declare B is equal to your given matrix. So it is 0.50, 0.25, 0.40, 0.67. The next step is I minus B, we will have to find it. So I minus B is, I is nothing but your unit matrix. So 1001 minus 0.50, 0.25, 0.40, 0.67. Now normal matrix subtraction we will have to do. So first element with this first element. Okay, so it is 1 minus 0.50, you will get it as 0.50. Then 0 minus 0.25. So this minus will go with this 0.25. So minus 0.25 you get. The same thing again, 0 minus 0.40. So minus will join with this. So minus 0.40. The next one is 1 minus 0.67. So I'll get it as 0.33. So now check your main diagonal matrices. It should be positive. So this is your main diagonal matrix. So this is positive and this element is positive. So your first condition is satisfied. Going to your second condition, determinant of I minus b, you have to find it. So that is equal to nothing but your I minus b, we have got it here. So find the determinant for that. 0.50 into 0.33, then minus multiplication of these two elements. So you'll get it as minus 0.40 into minus 0.25. So these two elements you'll have to multiply. Again these two elements you have to multiply, then subtract it. Okay. So 0.50 into 0.33, you'll get it as 0.165 minus, this is minus and minus will become plus only. So it is 0.40 into 0.25. So I'll get it as 0.1. Now subtracting, you will get your answer as 0.065, which is positive. So the answer you can declare as, since determinant of I minus b is positive, Hawkin assignment condition is satisfied. Therefore, the given system is viable. So this is the answer for your third question.